everybody, in today's video I am super excited to share with you guys all of the polishes I picked up for September PPU. So I did order August and September PPU, but so far I've held off ordering from October. I'm holding strong. Hashtag self-control. Hashtag save money. Hashtag no buy. Which has all been a lie, but I am trying to stay strong because I'm like, you have enough stuff, you know, whatever. I had to buy for the Halloween month because you guys know I love Halloween. I love it. So I picked up 3 polishes this month, you guys, and they all seem really, really beautiful. I swatched them on this nail wheel here. These are the 3, and they just look super, super good. So I'll do a little close-up video and put it on the side so you guys can kind of see like the more in depth, right? More in depth. So first up, I have Royla in Weiner of the Night from PPU Ween. This name, you guys, Weiner of the Night. It's so funny. This polish is not funny. This polish is nothing to laugh at. It is so gorgeous. It's like a magenta with some beautiful like holographic and gorgeous shimmer. This is 2 coats on the nail wheel of this. You guys, look at that. Amazing. I may put this on my Halloween rack just so that I can like put it into some sort of rotation. If not, I am putting it on my fall rack because this is so beautiful. And then next up, I went for Polish for Days in What a Nightmare. It's like a very deep bluish purpley burpley situation. In the description, she had mentioned that this was like a sister polish or cousin polish or whatever to Goblins and Ghoulies, I believe it's called. Let me look. The Goblins Ghoulies situation has really been throwing me for a loop. Yes, Goblins and Ghoulies. So this is like a sister, cousin, very close relative to Goblins and Ghoulies. And I had to have it specifically after I decided I was marrying Goblins and Ghoulies, because I'm like, okay, this is gonna sound crazy, but like if this is very similar, like will we also be married? That's bad to say. No, married cousins. They're not my cousins though, so that's all right. Look at this, you guys. Oh, so pretty. I'm really excited to try that one as well. This is also 2 coats on the nail wheel. Gorgeous. And then last one I decided to pick up was from Monarch Lacquer in Pumpkin Smash. So this is just a beautiful orange with a bunch of different shapes, matte black glitters, and then it has some like really beautiful like bluish shimmer you can see right there. When I got this out of the package, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it would be a little bit brighter, like similar to what I have on my nails right now, like more neonish, and it is not that. So I went back and looked at swatch pictures just to see if maybe like I got the wrong bottle or maybe like I didn't remember it correctly. And I'm going to say I don't think I remembered it correctly because the swatch pictures that showed up looked very similar to this like lighter sort of like squashy orange color. So it's still really pretty though. And this is 2 coats of that on the nail wheel. The shimmer on this stands out really, really nice. And I think that could be lightening it up just a tiny bit just because there is a lot of shimmer in there. But you can see like what I have on my nail now versus this. So I'm really loving my manicure, you guys. I am wearing Urban Outfitters in the shade Blazin', topped with a really cute black glitter topper a friend made for me. I'll talk more about it in my what I wore video, but obsessed with this one. This is my first manicure of the month of October and chef's kiss. So anyway, those are the 3 things I picked up from this month's PPU. Let me know if you picked up any of these polishes. If you guys did, have you tried them? Do you like them? If you didn't, what did you get? I always have to buy from the October PPU just because I love, or like the September PPU, just because I love like the Halloween situations. And then I always like to buy from November because it's usually like a holiday type thing. And you guys know I love like a festive, in your face kind of crazy manicure. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Thanks you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.